Hi guys, welcome to the Hard Reset Info channel. Today I will show you how fix problem with game not visible in Google Play Store on your Motorola Moto E22. To do this, in the first step we try to download something for your Google Play Store. We open it and we try to install something, maybe Call of Duty game. We search it but we can't install it. To fix this problem, we must go back to the main menu of our Google Play Store and we tap on our photo on the right side. And now we are going to the setting where we have family option. Now we choose parental controls and we must change from PEGI 3 to PEGI 16. To do that, we click there, we enter our pin to parental control, and now we can change it. We click on our PEGI 16, confirm all by got it, click save, and now we have PEGI 16. And we are go back to the Call of Duty game, and now we can install it. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!